Hello, welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do a first move comb. There's a couple of ways of doing this. In fact, there's more than a couple. Really helpful if you know how to use do a first move already. It's probably a good idea to have mastered an open first move as well, because a lot of the technique from that is in this, and if you've done any kinds of combs, you're going to be ready. So links for those in the description below. Let's press on. It looks like this. Go 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So that is just dressing up your normal first move. So it's just fancying it up a bit. Let's break that down and then we'll talk about other variations. So we go normal first move, back. We come in side by side. This is where it changes as we do our twist out. Important that the guy goes across the far side of the back, because that is the hand that is going to be leading the lady's movement, just as in an open first move. As that happens, we can take the left over the top to comb the lady. So that's a left-handed lady comb. We're going to re-offer the hand immediately, so that as we twist the lady in using the right arm, we can prep with the left, having got there just in time to then lead the turn and the return. So let's do that from the other side to get the other view, and we'll give some numbers to it. It's actually the same as a standard first move. It goes back 1, in 2, twist out with the comb 3, recollect the hand and prep 4, turning 5, facing 6, returning 7 and back 8. So let's do that to a count. Here we go. 5, a 6, a first move comb. We go a back, in, comb, in, turn, face, return and back. So now the other option, the other basic option, is to not collect the hand again. So we get back, in, do the comb, but now just treat it as an open first move. So we do the preparation just with the back arm, we do a spin instead of a turn, and then it's back to normal on the catch. Timing is exactly the same. Let's see if it works. 5, a 6, a first move comb. We go a back, in, comb, just use the right arm to get a spin, catch, return and back. As I said, there are other options. If you want a few more, then check out our Move Machine classes. Understanding the first move, one of them has got some more options for this in there. So, thank you very much for watching World of Floorcraft. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell. That way you'll know every time a new video comes out. And we will pop a music recommendation on the end, so you've got something nice to practice to. We'll see you next time. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.